Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a recipe video for some easy orange chicken. You'll see these are some of the ingredients I use. I also use this Smucker's natural orange marmalade. And I also found this Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added barbecue sauce. So we are just getting started with some boneless Walmart brand chicken wings. I'm just putting them on a cookie sheet with tin foil. And then you're just going to follow the directions that are on the back of the package. You could also use, there's a Great Value popcorn chicken, or I mean really any brand of popcorn chicken, and that would work great with this too. The main thing is you want to make sure that you get everything crisped up before you proceed with the sauce. So once that's in the oven, we're going to go ahead and get the rice ready. Okay, so I have my rice cooker that I'm going to plug in. I have some white rice. I also have half of one of these bouillon cubes. They're pretty big, so I just used half of them because it's just me and my husband. And we definitely are going to have quite a bit of leftovers, which is good because that means I won't have to cook. But I've put that in some hot water, and I'm just going to stir that up a little bit. I also have some parsley that I'm going to mix in, and there's the rice. I am going to get the rice in a strainer, and I'm going to rinse it out really good so that I don't see any more starch coming out, and then I'll put it in the rice cooker. Okay, so I am mixing up the sauce right now. I just used about half of this. The first time I did this recipe, I used the other half. So, and then I also used, I think, half a cup of this. I'll have the recipe on a page so that you can see it. And then I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of this. And then I'm going to add some salt and pepper and mix it up, and then we'll see how it tastes. Okay, so I've also added a couple tablespoons of soy sauce into this. And I'm just going to stir this up. And then I added probably about 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. And I also have the rice in this mini rice cooker cooking in the back. I'm gonna get some pepper. I'm not really gonna add any salt just because of the soy sauce. And then I'm gonna get some onion powder and garlic powder in there. So a little bit of onion powder. Okay. I'm going to stir that again and see how it goes. Now, if you wanted to, you could add some sriracha in this just to kick up the heat a little bit. I might add a little bit of that, but I'm not a huge fan of spicy, so we'll see. all the way in the sauce. Y'all, the struggle was real with getting that chicken off of that tin foil, but you know what, we made it, so that's good. So we're gonna go ahead and stir the chicken into the sauce. You just want to get it really good and combined. I do like to let the chicken sit in the sauce just a few minutes as it cools down. It allows the sauce to thicken a little bit, and it just gets really gooey, and oh, it's so good. So you should definitely try this recipe. You'll see at the end a few pictures of the finished product, but I wanted to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button